Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Saturday, September 27, 2025. The most recent water vapor loop from GOES 18 shows the pesky cutoff low over Southern California, while ridging and a drier air mass is filled in over Northern California. The North Pacific has an unsettled weather pattern, and this pattern will be over Northern California next week. Visible imagery this morning reveals clear skies across the majority of the area. A hefty amount of solar radiation will reach the surface fields today, outside of some cumulus buildups near Lake Tahoe. Ridging will be the main weather influencer today into Sunday, before breaking down Sunday night into Monday due to the first in a series of jet stream and Pacific trough passages. The unsettled weather pattern is expected to continue through Thursday, with a couple of weaker atmospheric river signals. There is the possibility of some ridging on Friday if the models are capturing the evolution of the system passages correctly. Most areas will observe above normal temperatures this afternoon, with mixed anomalies likely on Sunday due to some cooling. More pronounced cooling will occur Monday through Thursday, with near to below normal high temperatures. Some warming possible late week. A pop-up shower or two will be possible near Lake Tahoe today. Otherwise, the main near-term lightning threat will be found across the eastern tier on Sunday. Isolated showers and thunderstorms on Sunday would be faster to move and contain only smaller footprints of wetting rain. Some lightning will be possible Monday into Monday night, although it be enshrouded in higher humidity and rainfall. I want to focus your attention on the 6-day precipitation forecast from the River Forecast Center. This forecast is valid through 0500 Friday. Based on the atmospheric river properties, to the unsettled period, a heftier amount of precipitation is likely to favor the North Coast, northern and central portions of the coastal range, as well as Shasta County and the northern Sierra, with 1 to 3 inches. Based on the track record of these fall and winter systems, the Far East, Lower Sacramento Valley, and portions of the Bay Area can see lesser amounts, which is somewhat captured within this graphic. Either way, all areas should measure precipitation, with the majority receiving 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. Snow is likely across the higher terrain. The wind flow will turn more west-southwest southerly during the afternoon, with some breeziness favoring the greater Bay Area. Humidity values will respond to the onshore flow, with moderating values across western and central areas, but still remain low to marginally low across the interior. These forecast images are valid at 1400 today. South-southwest winds will increase Sunday and Sunday night ahead of the initial Pacific frontal passage, with breezy to locally windy conditions likely. The Shasta Valley should experience some gusts in the 40s. Humidity will moderate even further, with just some localized areas of 20s and 30s favoring the far north and east. These forecast images are valid at 1400 Sunday. Gusty southerly winds will remain on Monday, with the strongest speeds found across the north and east. Humidity will remain elevated most areas, with just some localized readings in the upper 20s and 30s. These forecast images are valid at 1400 Monday. The strongest wind signal of the week appears to be Tuesday and Tuesday night, with gusty southerly winds found ahead of a strong Pacific front. This would be the first big wind event of the fall season, and the preceding rainfall combined with these stronger winds is likely to knock down some weakened trees and or dead snags from this year's fires, so be extra careful. Humidity would remain elevated. These forecast images are valid for Tuesday. And an onshore wind flow, including some breeziness, should remain Wednesday into Thursday, with the possibility of some drier northerly winds Friday if the unsettled weather pattern passes to the east. Humidity would likely remain elevated until potentially Friday. These forecast images are valid for Friday. The 7-day significant fire potential product shows a mix of risk, with some moderate risks during the near term due to dry gusty winds. Widespread wetting precipitation, much higher 24-hour humidity levels, and cooler temperatures will significantly reduce the risk next week despite the gustier wind flows. In summary, mostly dry today with some breezier conditions across the greater Bay Area. Sunday is the big transition day, with moderating humidity levels and gustier south-southwest winds favoring the Shasta Valley, plus some fast-moving storms across the Far East. An unsettled weather pattern, including widespread wetting precipitation, cooler temperatures, and higher humidity, as well as atmospheric river properties, is expected Monday through Wednesday, with residual impacts on Thursday. Gusty wind periods will also occur the earlier half of next week and likely favor Tuesday into Tuesday night, if the timing holds. Be aware of fire and seasonally weakened trees, since this could be the first windstorm of the fall season.